Hi everyone, today I will show you a very simple agent force use case. With this setup, the agent will tell us the casual leave, sick leave and privilege leave of any employee just by asking our questions. For this, I have created a small Apex class leave balance action. Inside, I have created input output variable and fetching the record employee and leave balance objects. With the help of this Apex class, I have created an agent action, agent force agent. Default agent force migrated into employee agent. It will show the related details. Employee agent, open builder. Here you can see the topic, general CRM and single record summary are standard topics. Leave balance inquiry, I have created custom topic. Here I have added instruction. You can add your own instruction as per your use case and you can add example also. In this topic, I have added my agent action that I have created with the help of Apex class. It takes input as employee number and return leave details as the output. You can test your agent, it is working fine or not. You can give an employee number as the input. Show me leave balance and run it. This agent returns the leave balance, casual leave, sick leave, privilege leave as the output. You can see over here how it is working. Like it is taking input and it is returning output. Now you can activate your agent, ignore and activate. Open the app and just open Agentforce icon, refresh. It will show you some suggestion like find employee records, retrieve employee details, list all employees. It is showing list of all employees. Show me the balance. So it will give me the leave balance of a specific employee, casual leave, sick leave and privilege leave. So this use case I have built. Instead of searching through objects and records, you can simply ask the agent and it will give you the correct information instantly. Thank you.